Hi, welcome to Simple or Not Kitchen. I'm Melissa St. Ode, and today we are having some fun in the kitchen. We are going to make this one ingredient cream cheese, homemade cream cheese with only one ingredient. It's so easy and so fun. And then we're going to take that cream cheese and we're going to make a really delicious herbed cheese dip. This is going to be so much fun. There are several ways to make cream cheese at home, but we are just using this simple one ingredient method. All we need is plain yogurt. It's plain, unflavored, full fat yogurt. Don't use the Greek kind. And basically, we are going to just strain it. We're going to put a strainer over a bowl, and we're going to cover it with cheesecloth, and we're going to let our yogurt strain just overnight for about 24 hours. We're just going to go ahead and put all of that yogurt into the cheesecloth, then we're going to cover it, and I'm going to put a little bit of plastic wrap over it as well, just so it doesn't pick up any of those flavors from the refrigerator. And then we are going to put it in the refrigerator and let it strain overnight for about 24 hours. And you can already see some of that liquid is starting to come out of the yogurt. So now it's into the refrigerator with our yogurt, and 24 hours later we are going to take it back out, and this is what we have. You can see after 24 hours most of that liquid has drained away from the yogurt. And don't throw that liquid away. It has a nice tangy flavor. It's perfect for pancakes. I'm actually going to make some bread with it a little bit later, but don't throw it away. And so we're still not done. We have about a week to go with making our cream cheese. So with it all strained, we are going to move it to a plastic container that's also been lined with some cheesecloth. And we're going to let it sit in the cheesecloth in the plastic container for about a week. And this is going to help remove a little bit more of the liquid, and it's going to help give it a more firm sort of cream cheese-like texture. But it's super simple. We're just going to move it into the cheesecloth, and we're going to cover it and put the lid on. Then it's back to the refrigerator for another week. And a week later, this is what our cream cheese looks like. It came out just perfect. And we can use our cream cheese the way we would use any kind of store-bought cream cheese. This is about 8 ounces, and we could make a cheesecake with it. We could do just about anything. I'm going to make a homemade herbed cheese or a cheese dip. And this is super simple, and you can customize it any way you like. Basically, we are going to take our 8 ounces of cream cheese. You could also use your store-bought cream cheese, but I'm using the one that I made, and I'm going to combine it with about 4 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, about a 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, but if you don't like that, you could leave that out as well. And then we have our assorted herbs. So I am using basil, oregano, chives, parsley, thyme, and tarragon, and just a little bit of salt to taste. And if you are using a salted butter, you might want to not use too much salt in this. But basically, we're going to combine all of these ingredients in a nice mixing bowl. There goes our nice Parmesan cheese and our assorted spices and herbs. I'm going to be using my hand blender, and I'm just going to go ahead and just blend all of that stuff all together. And it's going to get nice and light and fluffy. During the holiday season, we are all looking for these easy recipes that are just really impressive and really tasty. So this cheese dip or herb cheese, I'm going to serve it with a little bit of pita, but crackers or vegetables would be really nice with this as well. It's also a great addition to a charcuterie board. Thanks so much for watching Simple or Not Kitchen. You'll find more recipes, articles, and video at PenalCentral.com.